GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi students. Today let us see chapter number 2, Fractions and Decimals. Let us see the introduction to fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole thing. Let us take an example. Let us take a rectangle. Now let us divide into some 3 equal parts. Now this is a whole thing and I divided it into parts. Now this is 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So in this whole thing I represented this part as a fraction. Right? So 1 upon 3. This is a fraction. And some 6 upon 5 is a fraction. Right? Numbers in this form are called fractions. If you see the number above, that is numerator, and the number below is denominator. Right? This number is called numerator and this number is called denominator. Now, let us see types of fractions. There are 4 types of fractions. The first one is unit fraction. Unit fraction. In this fraction, the numerator with number 1 is called unit fraction. The numerator with number 1 is called unit fraction. Let us see some examples. 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and so on. Right? These are called unit fractions. Now let us see the second type, that is proper fraction. Proper fraction. In proper fraction, the value of numerator is less than the value of denominator. The value of numerator is less than the value of denominator. Right? Now let us see some examples. 2 by 4, 10 by 20, 7 by 9 and so on. If you see, the numerator value is less than the denominator value. 2 is less than 4, 10 is less than 20, 7 is less than 9. Right? Numerator value is less than denominator value. Now, let us see the third type of fraction, that is improper fraction. In this type of fraction, the numerator value is greater than the denominator value. the numerator value is greater than the denominator value. Let us see some examples. 10 by 9, some 50 by 30, 98 by 95. If you see, in these three fractions, we have numerator value greater than denominator value. 10 is greater than 9, 50 is greater than 30, 98 is greater than 95. So, numerator values are greater than denominator values. Now, let us see the last type of fraction, that is mixed fraction. See, mixed fraction. It consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. This type of fraction consists of whole number and a proper fraction. Right? Example for these fractions are 2, 4 by 6, 7, 8 by 10, some 5, 12 by 15. If you see, we have whole numbers in front of proper fractions. These are proper fractions. That means we have numerator value less than the denominator value, and in front we have whole numbers. So these are examples of mixed fractions. Now let us see addition of fractions. Right? Let us take two fractions, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Right? These are two fractions. Now let us add these two fractions. First, we need to check that our denominator values are same or not. No, because we have 3 here, we have 5 here. So, we have to take LCM 3, 5. 3 ones are 3, 5. 5 ones are 5. We got 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Right? We need to multiply these two numbers. We can directly multiply here, or else we can do like this. The simplest way is multiplying here itself. Now, the next condition is you need to write as it is. Now, you need to multiply into 5 for the number 2 because we got LCM as 15. Right? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. We got LCM as 15. So, here we have the number 3. In this fraction, 2 by 3, we have the number 3 in the denominator. If we multiply 5 to the number 3, we get 15. Right? If we multiply 5 to the number 3, we get 15. 5 3s are 15. Right? We got 15. For 5, if we multiply 3, 5 3s are 15. Right? 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 3s are 12. 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. 4 3s are 12 or 3 4s are 12. The denominator we have as 15, that is the LCM we have as 15. Right? You see this step again. We got the LCM 3 into 5 or 3 into 5, which is 15, and here we have 3. When do 15 comes? If we multiply 5 to the number 3. 3 5s are 15. That is, we need to multiply to the numerator, and here we have 5 and 3. 5 3s are 15. We multiply to the numerator. Right? 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12. 10 plus 12 by 15, that is 10 plus 12 is 22 by 15. Now similarly we will do with next two fractions, that is some 4 by 6 plus 7 by 9. Same. What is the LCM of these two fractions? Directly we can multiply the denominators, that is 9 6 are or 6 9s are 54. Right? Take 54 in the LCM. Now what we need to do? 6 9s are 54. 9 6 are 54. 6 9s are 54. 9 6 are 54. Similarly, in this way we have done. Right? Now let us multiply these two. 4 9s are 36 plus 7 6 are 42. Right? Now 36 plus 42. 6 plus 2 8. 4 plus 3 7. So 78 by 54. Now we can furtherly solve this fraction by cancelling. That is, let us take 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 39 by 27. Right? We can furtherly solve like this. Right? Remember these steps because these are very important. The multiplication of this task is very important, that after getting LCM, we need to multiply the number to the numerators. We got 54. 6 9s are 54. 9 6 are 54. Later we will multiply these two numbers and write in the numerator. Now let us see addition of a whole number and a fraction. Right. Let us take a whole number 5. Any number. I am taking 5. Plus fraction is 2 by 5. Right? I am taking these two. A whole number and a fraction. Now let us assume there is 1 here. Right? 5 by 1 is 5. So let us take like this. Now we have denominators different. Let us multiply these two numbers. 5 1s are 5. Let us write denominator 5. And in the numerator, now we have 1 here. So let us multiply 5 here. 5 1s are 5. Right? We have 5 here. Let us multiply 1. So 5 1s are 5. We got the same 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Now we need to multiply numerators. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Plus 2 1s are 2. Right? 5 5s are 25 plus 2 1s are 2. Now 25 plus 2 is equal to 27 by 5. We have the denominator 27 by 5. We will add a whole number and a fraction like this. The process is same, just we need to assume that denominator will have 1 for a whole number. Now let us see multiplication of fractions. Right? Let us take any two fractions, that is 2 by 4 into 3 by 5. Now how to multiply? Multiply numerators and denominators. That is 2 3s are 6. 4 5s are 20. Right? We can further solve this. 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0. That is 2 10s are 20. 2 3s are 6. We got 3 by 10. Means In multiplication, if a numerator and denominator into numerator upon denominator are there, we will multiply numerators and denominators. Right? This is the rule for multiplication. Now, let us see multiplying a fraction with a whole number. That is, let us take any whole number 4 into a fraction 2 by 3. A whole number and a fraction. Now, we will multiply these two numbers. 4 into 2 because 4 is a numerator. If we write 1 here, 4 by 1 is 4, 2 by 3. 4 into 2 by 1 into 3. Numerators we multiplied, denominators we multiplied. 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3. So, 8 by 3. Right? Procedure is same. Just we need to assume we have denominator as 1 as the number by 1 is the number itself. So, this is the procedure to multiply fractions and a fraction and a whole number. Now, let us see division of fractions. Let us see with two fractions. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. Now, how can we write this? We can write 2 by 3 by 4 by 5. Now, we can furtherly write this 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. If you see clearly, this 4 by 5 got reciprocal and we have written 5 by 4. This division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Right? This 4 by 5 got reciprocal and we have written 5 by 4. This division sign changed and we have written multiplication sign. Now, we will multiply. 2 5s are 10. As you know, in multiplication, we will multiply numerators and denominators. 2 5s are 10. 3 4s are 12. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 5 by 6. Now, let us say with two more fractions, that is 7 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. Now, if you see, same. How can we write this? 7 by 4 by 1 by 3. Right? As similar to this condition, we have written 7 by 4 by 1 by 3. Now, what happens? This 7 by 4 remains same. Sign changes. That is, multiplication sign comes. This 1 by 3 gets reciprocal. That is 3 by 1. Now, we can multiply. 7 3s are 21. 4 1s are 4. 21 by 4 is the answer of this one. See, you have to remember that this gets reciprocal and the sign changes to multiplication. This is the rule for division of fractions. This gets reciprocal and the sign changes to multiplication. Now, let us see a fraction and a whole number. That is, let us take a whole number 4 divided by fraction 1 by 3. Now, we assume that here it is 1. 4 by 1 is 4 divided by 1 by 3. Now, 4 by 1 divided by 1 by 3. Right? The next step is 4 by 1 remains same into 3 by 1. Right? The sign changed and got reciprocal of 1 by 3. Now we got 4 3s are 12. By 1 1s are 1, that is 12 by 1 12. Right? This is the division of whole number and a fraction. Now let us see subtraction of fractions. Let us take two fractions, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Now we will find LCM of denominator as similar to the addition, that is in addition condition also we have found the LCM. 3 1s are 3, 5 write as it is, 5, 5 1s are 5. we got 3 and 5, right? 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 3 5s are 15, right? Instead of doing this, we can directly multiply denominators. That is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15, right? The next step is write the fractions as it is. Now, as we have LCM 15, we will multiply 5 to the number 2 and 3 to the number 4. Because we have 3 here, we will multiply 5, that is 3 5s are 15. And here we have 5, we will multiply 3, 5 3s are 15. Now, we got LCM 15, let us write 15 and now let us multiply the numerators. 2 5s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12, right? After verifying the LCM, we will multiply numerators. 2 5s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12. Now, we got 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Denominator we have 15. Right? So, as similar to addition procedure, we will do subtraction, only sign changes. Similarly, taking a whole number 8 minus 2 by 4. Right? Now, we assume there is 1 here. 8 by 1 is also 8. Now, let us find LCM. Multiplying denominators, we will get LCM. 1 into 4 is 4 and we multiply 4 here, 1 here. As we got LCM as 4, 1 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4, right? 8 4s are 32 minus 2 1s are 2. 32 minus 2, 30 by 4. Now we can furtherly solve this. 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are 30. So we got 15 by 2. So we can solve a whole number and a fraction like this and two fractions like this in subtraction. Now let us see conversion of mixed fraction. Let us take a mixed fraction. Yes, this is a mixed fraction. Now, how can we convert into fraction? See, we need to multiply these two numbers. First, we need to multiply these two numbers. Whatever the answer we get, we have to add the answer with 5. Right? We need to multiply these two numbers and whatever the answer we get, we will add with numerator. See, 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. We will write 17 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. The 6 remains same as denominator. Let us see with one more example. Let us take 4, 7 by 9. Similarly, we will multiply these two numbers. That is 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7. 7 6 13. 4. 43. Right? 36 plus 7 43. 43 by 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 7 43. Denominator remains same. 9. 43 by 9. It converted into a fraction now.
GeopByte.